Whether you're a seasoned prepper or just someone that's interested in preparedness, flea markets can be full of treasures. Many people unknowingly donate valuable items that end up being perfect for preppers. Many flea market vendors offer these items at a fraction of their original cost, but it may take some patience and searching to find exactly what you need. So let's take a look at some affordable prepping items you can find at flea markets. Tools. Hammers, screwdrivers, and wrenches are essential for any DIY projects that might come up during emergencies. Cookware. Cast iron skillets and other cookware suitable for open fires can often be found at significant savings. Blankets. Look for wool blankets, which are incredibly useful in cold weather when you're without power. You can never have too many blankets, and they can also be given to those in need. Lanterns. While not as common, lanterns can sometimes be found at flea markets, and they're worth keeping an eye out for. Wood cutting equipment. Chainsaws and axes can be valuable for processing wood for heating or shelter. Reference books. Books on survival techniques or local edible plants can be invaluable resources. Backpacks. Flea markets offer a variety of inexpensive backpacks. You can assemble several emergency go bags using these affordable packs, and you might even stumble upon a quality hiking pack. Candles. Flea markets often have bags of candles available. Even partially used candles can be melted down to create new ones or provide light in emergencies. Knives. Essential for survival, knives can often be found for reasonable prices. Boots. While new boots can be pretty pricey, flea markets often have them for a fraction of the cost. Ensure they're waterproof and in decent condition. Winter gear. Hats, coats, and gloves are essential for staying warm during cold weather emergencies. Rain gear. Boots, ponchos, and slickers are essential for staying dry during inclement weather. Entertainment. Board games, cards, and books are essential for keeping entertained during power outages. Flea markets offer a wide selection at very reasonable prices. Flashlights. These are commonly available, and they're crucial for emergencies. Camping gear. Tents, stakes, and camp stoves are frequently discarded items that preppers can scoop up at bargain prices. Solar chargers and panels. While these aren't as common, you can sometimes find them secondhand, and they're useful for charging essential devices during power outages. Fishing gear. Flea markets are great places to find rods, reels, and tackle boxes for fishing. Buckets and barrels. These are handy for storing water or supplies, and you can often find them for next to nothing. Old military gear. Surplus military items are durable and often available. Manual water filters and pumps. Crucial for emergency situations, these items can sometimes be found secondhand. Radios. Small portable radios are essential for staying informed during emergencies. Sewing supplies. Needles, thread, and spare buttons can be useful for repairing clothing or making makeshift medical supplies. Fabric. Bolts of fabric can be used for making clothing, curtains, or repairing existing items. Food preservation supplies. Canning jars, dehydrators, and food sealers are often available at a fraction of their new cost. Hunting gear. Look for camouflage clothing and other hunting equipment. Manual kitchen tools. Can openers, meat grinders, and grain mills can be valuable additions to your prepper supplies. Gardening supplies. Shovels, rakes, and manual tillers can be valuable finds for preppers. Be sure to keep an open mind while you're browsing flea markets, and you might find exactly what you need to bolster your prepper supplies at a fraction of the cost. And you need to be persistent because you may not find what you're looking for the first time you visit.